Hey everybody, it's Adam talking about exercises specifically for your arms today. I had somebody ask a question about that, so we're going to do a video and how to get stronger arms. We're going to talk about 3 different muscle groups I want to strengthen today. One of them, your deltoids, that's the muscle, that's that shield across the top of your shoulder. Your biceps, which is the front part of your arm, that's more on the top. And then your triceps, which is the muscle that runs along the back. So we're going to do a little exercises and focus on that today. So here we go. But to start, I always stretch. So I usually do go across my body like this. It pulls across the shoulder. It's a nice stretch. Make sure to do both sides for about 5 to 7 seconds. I usually take my elbow and pull it back. It helps stretch a couple of the muscles in my shoulder and also my triceps as I get ready to do some exercise. Okay, we've done that. You should take my arms and do a couple small arm circles. It works the joints in the shoulders. I go forward and back and make sure everything is limber before I get started. Then I have a weight. You get to adjust how much you want to do. But again, we'll start with a simple one called a bicep curl. And you start low. You don't rock. You come up and you bring it underneath your chin. You do not slam it. So it comes up. It's a fluid motion. I'll do 5 here and then I'll move from the side so you can see it. Like this. Notice how my body is not rocking and I'm not chucking my back with this. I'm focusing just on those muscles that I want to get work. That is a bicep curl. I'm going to switch my grip and do something about this. It's an abbreviated clean where you bring it up and then up over your head, down, and here. So again, it's working some of the muscles in the forearms, your shoulders, those deltoids that we talked about. And again, a little bit more in the arms and shoulders. I'll do one more. Okay. Then I'm going to do the tricep ones. These I do behind my head to focus on the muscles behind my arms, right back here. So we're going to go back here and come up. Down and up. Down and up. Down, up. And then lower. So again, here's the muscles that we want to focus on. The ones on the back are the triceps right here. The ones on the front, biceps on the top. And on the shoulders, those deltoids. So again, thanks for doing a little class with us.